Amazon's weird creatures that are unknown to mankind. Number 1, shimmering serpent, found in the Amazon rainforest. Snake-like with color-changing scales, can hypnotize prey with mesmerizing colors before striking. Number 2, glimmering guardians, also in the Amazon. Humanoid figures covered in shiny moss and leaves. Guardians of ancient trees and can communicate with plants and animals. Number 3, luminous lurkers, only visible at night. Glowing beings, believed to be forest spirits guarding its secrets. Number 4, explorers and scientists. Tried to find these creatures, difficult due to the dense and dangerous Amazon. The creatures remained elusive, keeping the rainforest's mysteries intact. Even today, the Amazon holds its secrets. Stories of these unknown creatures continue to inspire curiosity and wonder.